How to redeem PlayStation gift card from Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can redeem your PlayStation gift card bought from Amazon. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to redeem your PlayStation gift card that you purchased from Amazon, what you actually want to do is you simply want to go ahead and then make sure that you have received the code. Now it doesn't matter from where you purchase it, whether you purchase from Amazon, whether you purchase from some other e-commerce websites or third-party services as well, as long as you have the code with you. Now normally when you buy from Amazon, it depends upon how you received it, whether you received a physical gift card or whether you received an e-gift card via your email. So if you received an e-gift card, which means the code is most likely inside of your mailbox, so you want to make sure to log into the mail that is associated with your Amazon account, and most likely you will receive the code there. But if you received an order, a physical gift card, you will receive a physical gift card with you of your PlayStation gift card. So as long as you have the code, it doesn't matter, as I said earlier, whether they are on your email or whether they're on a physical gift card. Make sure that you have the code with you. And once you have the code with you, by the way, you can do this process from your PlayStation console as well, but I'm just showing you from my browser because it is easy. Even if you follow the steps on your Mac OS or on your Windows or your mobile or iOS device, it's very simple. Just go to PlayStation.com. Make sure to sign in to your PlayStation account that you use on your console. So make sure to first choose the region. I'll choose the region and then I'll also go ahead and then sign into my account respectively by tapping on the sign in option on the top right. And in my case, I'm already signed in. Now let us move on to the process as to how we can redeem the gift card. Now you want to tap on the profile icon of your PlayStation avatar from the top right hand side of the screen, and here you'll find the option called redeem code, as you can see over here. So just tap on the redeem code button, and as you tap on the redeem code option, now this is exactly where you want to enter your voucher code. Now it's a 12-digit code, whether you received from your email or whether you received it via your physical gift card. No matter wherever you have, as long as you have the gift card code, and if the code is correct, you simply want to enter them right here in this box. Once you enter the code right here in this box, this option will enable, that says continue. Now you can tap on the continue button, and depending upon the value of the gift card, your code is going to be successfully redeemed to your PlayStation account. That's all it takes to redeem your PlayStation gift card that you purchased from Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.